Kubernetes is an open-source platform designed to automate the deployment, scaling, and operation of containerized applications. Originally developed by Google, Kubernetes has become the standard for container orchestration in the cloud computing industry. Here are some key concepts related to Kubernetes. Containers, pods, nodes, clusters, control plane, kubelet, services, namespaces, and ingress. Containers are lightweight, portable units that package an application and its dependencies. Docker is a popular tool for creating containers. The smallest deployable unit in Kubernetes, a pod, is a group of one or more containers that are scheduled together on the same node. Containers within a pod share the same network namespace and can communicate with each other using localhost. A node is a physical or virtual machine that runs pods. Each node is managed by the Kubernetes control plane. A Kubernetes cluster is a set of nodes that run containerized applications. It consists of at least one control plane and one or more worker nodes. The control plane is responsible for maintaining the desired state of the Kubernetes cluster, managing workloads, and coordinating between different components. It includes components like the API server, scheduler, and etcd. A Kubernetes agent that runs on each node in the cluster, ensuring that containers are running in the pods as expected. Kubernetes services define a logical set of pods and a policy by which to access them. Services allow you to expose your pods to the network, either within the cluster or externally. Namespaces provide a mechanism for isolating groups of resources within a single Kubernetes cluster. Ingress is a resource that manages external access to services, typically HTTP. Kubernetes is widely used for managing large-scale, distributed applications, and it supports a variety of cloud environments, making it a powerful tool for DevOps practices. Kubernetes, often abbreviated as K8s, is an open-source platform that automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. It was originally developed by Google and is now maintained by the Cloud Native Computing Foundation, CNCF. Kubernetes has quickly become the industry standard for orchestrating containerized applications, thanks to its flexibility, scalability, and community support. Automated deployment and scaling. Kubernetes can automatically deploy containers based on resource requirements and available capacity. It can also scale applications up or down based on demand. Self-healing. Kubernetes can automatically restart failed containers, replace and reschedule them on different nodes if a node dies, and kill containers that don't respond to user-defined health checks. Service discovery and load balancing. Kubernetes can automatically expose a container using a DNS name or an IP address and can load balance network traffic to ensure that deployment is stable. Storage orchestration. Kubernetes can automatically mount the storage system of your choice, whether from local storage, public cloud providers, or networked storage solutions like NFS or ISCSI. Secret and configuration management. Kubernetes allows you to deploy and update secrets and application configuration without rebuilding your container images, keeping sensitive information secure. Rolling updates and rollbacks. Kubernetes can roll out changes to your application or its configuration gradually, ensuring that all instances aren't updated simultaneously. If something goes wrong, Kubernetes can automatically roll back to a previous stable version. Kubernetes is widely used in different industries to manage large-scale, distributed applications. It's particularly effective for microservices architecture, where applications are broken down into smaller, loosely coupled services. It's also used in hybrid and multi-cloud environments because of its ability to abstract the underlying infrastructure. In summary, Kubernetes provides the necessary tools to efficiently manage the lifecycle of containerized applications, making it a crucial part of modern DevOps and cloud-native strategies.